As far as the S&P, whole lot of nothing. Let's see, where were we at this morning? Yeah, sold off, came down to this zone, bounced up. This is, like Cody said, a made-up zone. This is something I just threw out there sarcastically. I just remain bullish, but I do think more and more, I think we're into the volleyball spike right now. I think we're setting things up just to probably send it south. Speaking of unemployment reports, tomorrow we got jobless claims, a couple of Fed speaks, nothing big, but pre-market we could see some volatility in the futures. As far as the expected move goes, plenty of room. NASDAQ kind of hanging out, going sideways. Dropped down, tested that zone, bounced. Whole lot of nothing. For now, I guess we have, let's go with some sellers right there. Jumping up. We got a wick, red candle, wick. So that'll likely end up being a zone later. Expect to move. Plenty of room. Grandpa Dow still. Looks like Grandpa Dow's probably about to make a move. So we got the lower highs, we got the higher lows. Ultimately, that bull pennant, but it does look like, I would say, on the bullish side, looks like we're about to make a decision on this one. So I would take the bullish play on that. Russell. Honestly, I wouldn't really trade the Russell, but if I was, I'd be looking for a way to short it. And if I'm going short, if I'm doing anything right now, I'd have to go short with a stop right here. If there's going to be a situation, I think the Russell is going to get smacked a lot harder. Jumping into ticker breakdown. BTU revisit.